Unit 3, New Nation. The Articles of Confederation created the first government of the United States. They created a weak central government and strong state governments. There was no national army, no power to tax, and no power to enforce laws. Economic problems were caused by Britain and Spain cutting off trade routes. States also printed their own money, which led to inflation. Many farmers began losing their farms as they could not pay their state taxes. Shays' Rebellion occurred because of these reasons and showed everyone how weak the central government was. Many began demanding that a constitutional convention be called to create a stronger national government. Different states had different ideas of what kind of government they wanted. Smaller states wanted equal representation and a unicameral legislature, one house, while bigger states wanted representation based on population and a bicameral legislature, two houses. In the end, they compromised as the House of Representatives was based on population and the Senate had equal representation. Remember, 2 per state. The 3/5 compromise settled the issue of slavery by counting slaves as 3/5 of a person for tax and representation. The Constitution created a federal system in which power is shared between 3, and that should be branches with an H, branches. The legislative or Congress, executive or president, and judicial or federal courts. A system of checks and balances allows each branch to stop the other. Supporters of the Constitution were called Federalists. Opponents were Anti-Federalists. A series of articles called the Federalist Papers convinced most Americans to support the new Constitution and to make it the law of the land.